Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video, we're going to talk about bathroom interior trends. Innovative interior design is shaping exciting bathroom trends. We are talking about fresh ideas, impressive designs, and eco-friendly upgrades that are revolutionizing how we view our bathrooms. If you want to revamp your personal space, bathroom ideas are blazing new trails in aesthetics, sustainability, and technology. This year, the bathroom is more than just a practical space. It's evolving into a haven of comfort and eco-conscious design. So, let's get started. Natural materials are becoming an integral part of bathroom design. Organic textures like wood, stone, and even live plants flood in to create a sumptuous and grounding sanctuary. These materials boost visual interest as well as introduce a tactile richness. This combo makes the design experience more sensory and fulfilling. Many bathroom makeovers don these materials to showcase their soothing effect. Bathroom ideas are shaping into a fascinating blend of technological innovation, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. These trends offer a fresh look at how we conceptualize this intimate space. Whether you're looking to remodel or simply update your decor, the dynamic landscape of trending bathroom styles provides endless inspiration for the years to come. Tiles are breaking out of their purely functional role, cementing their spot as artistic bathroom decor ideas. Be it an elaborately patterned backsplash or a statement floor, creative tiles define the visual impact of a bathroom. Artistic tiles can also be subtle, incorporate unique bathroom tile trends that suit your color scheme. These don't need to be bright or colorful to make a memorable design statement. Bathroom colors demand attention, bringing bold and subdued tones into the personal sanctuary. This year's palette aims to elicit a range of emotions, transforming not just the look but also the feel of the space. Color is becoming a focal point for innovation and aesthetic refinement. Earth tones are making a subtle splash in bathroom colors. Indulge in rich browns, burnt orange, or muted greens to mimic nature's serenity. Next to organic materials like wood and stone, these hues can transform a bathroom into an oasis of calm. You can also include earthy tones in a high contemporary design. It will ground the design and make statement modern features stand out even more. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Forget the conventional chrome fixtures. Metallics are evolving into accent elements beyond faucets and handles. Think brushed towel racks or shimmery light fixtures that add a touch of glamour without overwhelming the space. When used sparingly, these metallic accents can elevate the whole experience. If you like shimmer, consider including glossy accents like metallic silver wall paint or unique bathroom tiles. Bathroom-friendly wallpaper is also a great option you can easily change up. Freestanding tubs enjoy a renaissance moment, combining form and function in eye-catching designs. These bathtubs serve as magnificent focal points that elevate the aesthetic ambience of the entire bathroom. Their versatile nature makes them suitable for various bathroom layouts. Plus, the airy feel contributes to a sense of spaciousness, making them popular choice for years to come. Small bathroom trends are all about clever utilization of floor space without compromising style. Think wall-mounted sinks, floating vanities, and multifunctional furniture that create an illusion of spaciousness while providing practical utility. These solutions maximize every square inch, turning even the tiniest bathrooms into a trendy and functional oasis. The focus lies on finishes, paint color, decor, and fixtures. You can pack a design punch regardless of your floor size. Whether you have a small or large bathroom, vintage elements resurface, blending seamlessly with modern amenities for a timeless look. From Victorian bathtubs to pedestal sinks, these classic pieces add a touch of nostalgia while keeping pace with contemporary needs. These favorites get a new take through innovative materials and integrated tech. Mindfulness and well-being are not only sizzling topics but also influence bathroom designs across the board. Tranquil water features, Zen-inspired decor, and soft ambient lighting are coming together to create spaces that serve bodily needs while nourishing the mind. Bathrooms are evolving into holistic areas that cater to physical and emotional well-being. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.